Here we have an op art drawing that when turned sideways looks kind of like a pumpkin that goes on forever, or when turned vertically looks like wormy tubes. This drawing does not involve a ruler, it's made with a lot of curvy lines. First, make a wavy line across your paper horizontally. Make sure the line touches from edge to edge across your paper. Then make 3 or 4 columns. These vertical lines are also wavy. In the top half, all lines bump upward. They look like a frown. These lines stretch all the way across the column. Turn your paper if it's more comfortable to draw in a certain motion. Make sure your lines are smooth and even. And if you ever end up with an empty column while doing this, just fill it in with more lines. Now that the top section is done, it's time to repeat that at the bottom half, but now the lines curve the opposite way. You can also make your lines jump across your paper like a number line. I totally went outside of the column because I was just going across, but it worked out anyways. Pay attention to the very edges of your paper too, and smooth out any lines that are not connecting that good. When coloring, select at least 2 colors for every column or row, and then that way they will stand out better. The shapes will stand out better. I hope you enjoyed this fun curvy drawing. You can also add a little shading at the edges where each column meets the next. Shading is when you use your pencil to make it look like you're coloring in a shadow. The example on the top left has a little shading right between each column. Also, try to color in a curved motion. You could even leave highlights down the center if you want it to look like it's bright or like there's a light source shining on it. I hope you enjoyed this fun drawing, and it has a lot of energy to it.